be in the studio working on some new material. Nice. That is Derek Sheridan, Jason Bonham, Joe Bonamassa, and Glenn Hughes. Yeah, decided to make another record before they do like a big tour. Doing some small dates in London, but nothing stateside yet. So we'll have to keep an eye out on that one for you. One Last Soul. Sounded good there. And of course Aerosmith before that. And Steven Tyler is starting to show those commercials for American Idol with Steven Tyler. It actually looks kind of interesting. You know, I mean, he's definitely bringing out his personality and putting some personality into the show. Not that I'll watch it because I just hate American Idol. But I got to admit, the promos are actually looking pretty good. U2, and of course we had Pearl Jam. My name's Curtis K. You want to jam? We got it. Coming up, some Skinner. Got Shinedown. Also got some DHA rock from Breaking Benjamin. A 40-minute Jersey Jam moments away.